Hi guys, welcome to Silverstone for round 2 of the Cup 200 Championship. I'm going to give you a little walk round in here because race 1 has finished. I'm going to show you where they actually finished on the podiums. So we do the top 3 in here, but first of all we start off with Chris. Chris's car here, his second season in the Cup 200 Championship. He's just prepping the car now for race 2. Him, Alloro and Mike had an epic battle for P3, basically they were trying to tie up for. Awesome bit of kit, going really well. And here we are with John Cutmore's car. He ended up P2, but P2 by about that much across the line. Amazing race between them, Dave and Scott. An awesome bit of kit. And John's car always looks great. Now, here we are with Dave had a little technical issue with his car, but Scott, P1, come out here with a Mattel car, Scott Mattel, come out. We know Scott's quick anyway, he's a quick driver, won a couple of championships himself, runs the Mattel cars which you see over there as well. He's done all kind of things from Pragas as well, and low cost champion, and very, very quick driver, and he ended up P1 in his maiden voyage here as well. So well done to him and his team. Great race, great watch, but just to be picked at the line with him and John was amazing to watch. And we're going to head on to the next garage. There is some live racing going on at the moment, so Checker Flag's just come out for that actually here. Wayne was out, Wayne's at Armston's here in Cup 84 as well. His first race meeting, he's just getting quicker and quicker every time he goes out in the car. And then over here we have Alloro. Say hi Alloro, Alloro here, P3.
Hello, mate.
Second season, how happy was that and how good was that?
That was amazing. We had the most intense race I've had so far since I started to race, and obviously finishing third is such an amazing feeling. I really can't believe it. There's a bit of luck obviously with Dave going out, but yeah, honestly.
First you've got to finish first.
Exactly.
So on the road, P3, and I've got to say your lap time's just coming down and down, so you must have, brilliant, absolutely brilliant.
I'm really buzzing, honestly. I can't have a better day, I think. It's really good.
Alloro's car over there, I mean, second season with us, and he was one of the first people to buy a Cup 200 car, actually, wasn't you? And now his second season in, from Croft to today, wow, what a transformation for you.
It is. Even the setup, everything, the pace, the confidence, it's just, really, really steep learning curve. But at the end of the day, like the further you get and the more you drive, the better you get. So, not happy with that.
Well done. P3.
So,
can't wait to see him race 2. Then we go over here. We've got Mike's car. Mike was on for a P3, him and Alloro had an amazing battle, and he had a little spin at the end there, just took him out. But I had my hand like this, really. Brilliant job. And then John's car here. The 111 car, he had a good clean race as well, brought it home, no problems at all, but both the cam speed cars actually look, I mean, classic sort of red and gold colours, really look great out on circuit. So if you want to know more about the Cup 200 range and the race series, you know where to do. Hook us up, phone call, email here at MK Sportscars or RLM and Automotive Racing, and we can talk, we can get you out treading like these guys on the circuits.